If the holidays feel loud, your body feels tired, then this episode is for you. Welcome to AJ's EO Infusions Essential Wellness Podcast, a space for calm conversations, nervous system safe practices, and gentle reminders that you don't have to rush your healing. If this podcast supports you in any way, I invite you to subscribe so these moments of grounding can find you each week. And before we begin, a quick reminder that this podcast is for educational and inspirational purposes only and is not a substitute for medical or mental health care. Always listen to your body and seek professional support when needed. Now let's take a breath together and begin. If you're listening to this on Christmas Eve, I want you to know something right away. You don't need to be anywhere else right now. You don't need to be doing anything more. And you don't need to hold yourself together for anyone at this moment. This episode is here to meet you exactly where you are. For many people, Christmas Eve carries a lot more than sparkle and celebration. It holds memory, it holds longing, and it holds joy and grief sitting side by side. And your nervous system feels it all, whether you name it or not. We're often taught that if we're tired, overwhelmed, or emotionally heavy during the holidays, it means we're doing something wrong. That we should be grateful, that we should push through, that we should smile harder and keep going. But tonight, I want to offer you a different way, a softer way, a truer way. Because calm isn't something that you earn after surviving the day. Calm is something that you're allowed to choose, even now. Meditation isn't about escaping your life, it's about returning to yourself, especially on days or nights like this. Your nervous system doesn't understand holiday expectations or traditions. It only understands safety and threat, connection and pressure, rest and overload. And during this season, many of us are living in a low-level state of overstimulation without realizing it. There's the noise, the schedules, the emotions, the memories, the responsibility of holding space for everyone else, and it all adds up in the body. And that's why stress during the holidays often shows up as irritability, exhaustion, shallow breathing, racing thoughts, or that feeling of being on edge, even when everything looks fine on the outside. This isn't weakness, it's biology. So your nervous system is doing its job, and I ask you that instead of asking to keep pushing, we're going to offer something different. Permission. Permission to soften, permission to slow, permission to stop performing peace and actually feel it. Meditation doesn't require silence. It doesn't require a perfect environment, and it definitely doesn't require an hour of uninterrupted time. Meditation is just simply a moment where your body can feel safe enough to exhale. Safety might come from one intentional breath. It might come from placing your hand over your heart. It might be from stepping away for 30 seconds of quiet, or from a familiar ritual that tells your body that you're okay right now. This is why I teach stillness as a ritual, not a performance. Rituals work because they speak directly to the nervous system. They anchor you in the present moment and bring your awareness back into your body. And when your body feels safe, then everything else begins to settle. Your thoughts slow down. Your breath deepens. Your emotions stop demanding to be fixed and simply ask to be felt. Today, calm isn't a luxury. It's a form of care. It's how you protect your energy, and it's how you stay connected instead of overwhelmed. And it's how you experience this moment, whatever it holds, without bracing against it. So wherever you are right now, I want to invite you into a brief grounding moment. Nothing complicated, nothing performative. If it feels comfortable, place one hand gently over your chest and your other hand over your belly, or wherever your body naturally wants to contact. So take a slow breath in through your nose and let it fill your chest, your ribs, and your belly. And just pause. Now exhale through your mouth. And this should be a little bit longer than your inhale. And you need to just let your shoulders drop as you breathe out. And let your jaw soften. And then just let your tongue rest. And again, we're going to inhale gently. Hold it and exhale slowly. Notice if your body feels even 1% more settled. That's regulation, not perfection, not transformation. Just a small signal to your nervous system that it doesn't have to stay on high alert right now. Today, you don't need to fix anything. You don't need to resolve every emotion. You don't need to have the perfect holiday experience. You're allowed to be present with what is. Calm doesn't erase the complexity of the season, and it helps you hold it with more compassion. And that, especially today, is a powerful form of care. Now, as you move through the rest of your day, this evening, remember this: you don't need more effort, you need more gentleness. You don't need more doing, you need more permission. And you don't need to carry everything alone. If this episode brought you even a small moment of ease, I invite you to subscribe, leave a gentle review, and share this with someone who might need a pause today too. From my heart to yours, thank you for being here. May your body feel supported, may your nervous system feel safe, and may calm meet you exactly where you are. Thank you for spending this moment with me. If today's episode offered you even a breath of calm, I invite you to stay connected. Join us on social media for weekly rituals, reflections, and gentle reminders to slow down. This season, remember, rest is not something you earn, it's something you're allowed to choose. From my heart to yours, wishing you peace, presence, and gentle joy this holiday season. And until next time, breathe deep, move slowly, and keep choosing your glow. You can explore our rituals, resources, and community at AJ's EO Infusions.